Hi everyone, my name is Gianpiero Infantosi and I'm going to analyze the firm Allianz. As a table of contents, we have first a small introduction about the firm, then we'll make an analysis, then we'll go for analyzing the current situation of the firm. After it will come with an approach of the firm, then we will come with the solutions and we will wrap it up with a conclusion. Allianz is a European financial services company headquartered in Munich, Germany, and its core businesses are insurance and asset management. They operate in every country in Europe, and they also have deep influence on the Asian and American market. Some numbers for them are that they have more than 85 million private and corporate customers insured by Allianz. They have around 142,000 employees in over 70 countries that had achieved total revenues of 125.2 billion euros, and they have an operating profit of 10.7 billion euros, and the benefits for the customers have reached 107.4 billion euros. Some of the products and services offered by Allianz are private insurance, business insurance, asset management. They also manage global lines and global services and assistance, and they also have sustainable solutions. The mission of Allianz is basically to contribute of creating a positive future for their business and society through combining long-term economic value for their customers. And the vision of Allianz is to be the leading global provider of corporate and specialty risk solution. They want to fulfill clients' and individuals' needs with their employees' unique industry expertise and their knowledge. The strategic objectives of Allianz are set by their renewal agenda initiatives, and they aim to achieve the following financial targets by the year of 2018. Firstly, they want to have earnings per share growth of 5%. Then they are aiming to have a total return on equity of 13%, a combined ratio of 94% or better in the property casualty segment. Then they're aiming to have a return of equity of at least 10% in all entities operating in life and health insurance. And their main goal is productivity gains at 1 billion euros by the year 2018, especially by implementing digital processes globally, and these gains are said to be reinvested in technology, human resources, and growth. The main problems of Allianz that we can point out are firstly, a marked slowdown in asset growth in the year 2015. They also have the problem of Asia being the only dynamic region in the world. The households in industrial countries still worry of new debt, and low interest rate are now withstanding, and this gives a lot of problems to all the insurance companies around the globe. And another big problem is that German savers are giving away 200 billion euros, and there's global inequality declining by many industrial countries. The gains only go to the happy few, the most richest people that are on top. So as the analysis of the firm, we believe that we have to focus firstly on the German market, because if we compare the German market to the other countries in the Eurozone, we can see that they are performing rather badly. And these reasons are very obvious because they have very cautious savings behaviors in the German households. So we will make an external and internal analysis of the firm. For the external analysis of Allianz, we've made a SWOT, and their strengths are mainly being strong promoters and the largest insurance company around the globe. One of their weaknesses, and one of the most important, would be that households in Germany are more reluctant to make long-term investments. The opportunity is that Allianz has a vast potential. It has a vast potential for health insurance, and they have a lot of geographically opportunities as well. And the threats might be monetary policy that is becoming less effective, and the inflation of the global market. To In addition to this external analysis, we've made a five forces analysis, and we're gonna we're gonna evaluate each forces as at a level. So we have the threats of new entrants, and for Allianz, I think it will be at a moderate level. Then the bargaining power of buyers will be at a high level. When it comes to the threat of substitutes, products, and services, I think for this insurance company and for the whole insurance companies, it will be at a low level. And then for the bargaining power of suppliers, it comes at a high level as well. And the threat of rivalry amongst competitors in the industry of the insurance company is also at a high level for the company. As an internal analysis of the company, we made a value chain analysis, and we've focused on the insurance value chain, and their primary activities are product services development, marketing and sales, policy administration, claims and benefits management, and asset management, whereas the support activities will be the data analytics, the company infrastructure, the reinsurance, and the human resource management. For the current situation of the firm, we have to point out that over the last 4 years, Germans have parked roughly 40% of their financial asset at banks, and this comes for them as a loss, as bank deposits only yielded on average a return of minus 0.4%. So the Germans' conservative and reluctant investment strategy translates into low asset yields. So in addition to this preference for interest-free or bank deposits, these savers in Germany are actually finding that their strong aversion to equities is making them not lose money, but giving away the opportunity to have and to gain a lot of money. For the approach of the analysis, we found two possible alternatives, and our first alternative will be a focus strategy, where Allianz should focus on spreading the firm's market not only to a savvy group of people, but to a broader list of clients, and they should implement new saving patterns and asset solution. They could also beneficiate by creating an ag saving, which is a really good game to play in the times of extreme monetary policy, and they could follow also the Netherlands example on pensions. These are the implications of having the focus strategy, and they are mainly the erosion of cost advantage with the narrow segment. And our second alternative will be the profit pool concept that you can see over here in the slide. Actually, the value chain is totally changed with different kind of functions, and the main benefits being product offering aligned with investor needs, compliance with investment guidelines, professional investors reporting that will establish for the company a target. So with the two alternatives we found, we believe that a profit pool strategy will be best suited for this situation, because we believe that by re-engineering the value chain, insurance, asset management, Allianz will be prepared to suit best their client needs. And the product offering will be in line with the investors' needs, and there will be a compliance with investment guidelines. After that, it will come along with professional investors reporting that we were suggesting in the alternative one with the ag savings, and it will come along with a broader reach. So as an ultimate benefit, Allianz will establish a target operating model to win clients and clients' loyalty. And to wrap it up, we can conclude that Allianz will be prepared to face the trend of the financial markets along with their clients by not having to worry about the negative interest rates that mean a tough life for the German savers. And this would place Allianz as a top choice over competitors, as insurance will be more protected by the firm's financial monitoring. So thank you very much for your attention, and that will be it.